In this video, we will be discussing how to successfully achieve your New Year's resolutions. We'll go over the 10 most essential tips and tricks that will help you stay on track throughout the year, so that you can finally tick those items off of your list. New Year's resolutions are a great way to set yourself up for success in the coming year, so let's make sure you have all the tools you need to make yours a reality. Many of us make New Year's resolutions, but by the end of March, many of us have settled back into old patterns. Part of the problem may be that we do not know how to keep New Year's resolutions, despite our good intentions. The new year is an opportunity to establish new routines that will help you grow. 10 excellent tips for achieving your New Year's resolutions successfully. Number 1. Select a specific goal. Choose a specific and attainable goal that you can realistically aim for. For example, you could resolve to lose 10 pounds or run a half marathon. Choosing a specific goal also allows you to plan out exactly how you intend to achieve it. Number 2. Limit your New Year's resolutions. A professor of psychology suggests that you pick just one and focus your energies on it. Achieving even one small goal can boost your belief in yourself. Consider breaking down larger goals into manageable chunks to work on one at a time. The American Psychological Association also suggests focusing on just one behavior at a time, which is more likely to lead to long-term success. Number 3. Make time for planning. It's important to take the time to plan ahead before you start working toward any sort of goal. By having a plan in place, you increase the chances of seeing your goal through to the end, because you know how to work around obstacles, setbacks, and resistance. For example, if you're aiming to run 3 times a week, your training plan should include what you'll do if you miss any of those days. And if you need to take time off for illness or injury, it should include how you'll get back on track once you're feeling better. Number 4. Start by taking small steps. Starting with small steps is a much better way to successfully achieve your New Year's resolutions. Trying to do too much all at once is a recipe for failure. You'll quickly get overwhelmed and end up reverting back to your old ways. It's much better to focus on making small changes that will eventually lead to your larger goal. For example, if you're planning to run a marathon, it's important not to try and do it all at once. Instead, start out by going for a short jog 2 or 3 times a week. Slowly, work up to longer runs and exercising more days per week. Number 5. Don't set yourself up for disappointment. It's important to avoid getting discouraged from the start by setting resolutions that are too lofty or impossible to maintain. If you do choose to go for the same goals you've tried for in the past, analyze your previous results and be honest with yourself about which strategies were successful and which were not. From there, you can make the necessary adjustments to your plan so that you can set a resolution that you know you can stick to. Number 6. Keep in mind that change is a process. Remember that change happens gradually, not all at once. If you're trying to break a bad habit, it probably took years to develop, so you can't expect to change it overnight. Give yourself some time and patience. Understand that making your resolution is a process. If you make a mistake along the way, don't worry, you can always restart and continue working towards your goal. Achieving your goals may take longer than you would like, but remember that this isn't a race to the finish. Taking your time and being patient with yourself is more important than anything else. Number 7. Get guidance and support. Get support from people who understand what you're going through and can offer helpful advice. Having a solid support system in place will help you stay motivated and accountable. Plus, it's more fun to achieve your goals with someone by your side. For example, tell your close friends or family about your goals and ask for their help. Or, join a group of people who are all working towards the same objective. Number 8. Renew your motivation. When times are tough, and you feel like you can't keep going, remember why you started this in the first place. Write down what your goals are, and what you hope to achieve by reaching them. This will help you stay motivated when things get difficult. Keep your list of goals handy, so you can refer to it when you need a reminder of what you're working towards. It might seem easy to give up when things are tough, but if you remind yourself of what you stand to gain by achieving your goals, it will be worth it in the end. Number 9. Keep working on your objectives. Keep working on your goals, even after you face setbacks. This will help you stay motivated and on track. One way to do this is to keep a resolution journal, where you can write about your successes and struggles. Write down the reasons why you are working toward your goal, so that you can refer to them during times when you feel uninspired and unmotivated. Think about what is causing you to falter, such as stress from work or home life, and how to cope effectively. Number 10. Learn and adapt. Facing setbacks is one of the most common reasons why people give up on their New Year's resolutions. However, if you encounter a setback, it's important not to view it as a failure. Instead, think of it as a learning opportunity. The path toward your goal is rarely straight, and there will often be challenges along the way. By viewing setbacks as learning opportunities, you can increase your chances of success. Embrace the challenges, and use them as an opportunity to grow. Golden tips for your New Year resolution. The yearly ritual of setting resolutions doesn't have to turn into an annual disappointment. Rather, success or failure is simply a matter of choosing the right goal, and using the right process to achieve it. And, once you've achieved your goals, it's important to remember to be kind and flexible with yourself, while celebrating any progress along the way. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey along the way. Thanks for watching and congratulations, because you are developing your mindset to become joyful and successful by watching our video regularly. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want a video on any topic, be free to comment with your thought. For more, check out the description box. Wait, I have some gifts for the New Year's resolution for you. Don't forget to collect them, given in the description box.